Dear children, due to corona outbreak, the schools are closed. So we are providing you the online lecture so that you can cover up with your syllabus. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 2, fractions of class 7. What is fraction? As we have studied in our junior classes, fraction is a part of whole and numbers of form a upon b, where a and b are natural numbers, where a is numerator, upper number, b is the denominator. In this, for example, 3 upon 5, where n is numerator is 3 and denominator is 5. Types of fractions. First type of fraction is decimal fraction. A fraction whose denominator is any of the number 10, 100, 1000, etc. For example, 5 upon 10, 27 upon 100, 37 upon 1000. These all examples of decimal fractions. Second type, proper fraction. Numerator, a fraction whose numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator 3 upon 7, in 3 upon 7, 3 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. 4 upon 15, 9 upon 7, etc. There are so many examples. Next type, improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 11 upon 7, 18 upon 5, etc. Mixed fraction, a number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Example, 3, 1 upon 2, 4, 1 upon 17, etc. Equivalent fractions. Equivalent, meaning of equivalent is equal value. Equal value fraction, a given fraction and fraction obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator. A given fraction and fraction obtained by multiplying the numerator and denominator by same non-zero number is known as equivalent fraction. For example, 3 upon 4 is the fraction and when we multiply the numerator and denominator by 2, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 3 upon 4 is the given fraction and when we multiply numerator and denominator by 3, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12 and so on. So many examples we can take. Next type is like fractions. Fractions having the same denominators but different numerator. Example, 5 upon 14, 9 upon 14, 11 upon 14, etc. Many examples we can take. Next type is unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. For example, 9 upon 16, 1 upon 7, 9 upon 16, etc. 9 upon, we can take here 9 upon 17. These all are having different denominators. Fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. Now we will do few numericals from R.S. Agarwal book, exercise 2a. Question number 1, compare the fractions 5 upon 9 and 11 upon 15. 5 upon 9, 11 upon 15 by cross multiplication. 5 multiply 15 and 9 multiply 11. 5 15s are 75 and 9 11s are 99. 99 is greater than 75. So 11 upon 15 is greater than 5 upon 9. Question number 2, we have to arrange all these fractions in ascending order. First, just look at these fractions. These all are unlike fractions. We are going to convert them into like fractions. LCM of 5, 10, 15, 20 we have taken out, 60. Now we will convert into like fractions. How we are going to convert? First, we will take the LCM and we have to divide LCM by the denominator of a given fraction. 5, 60, we are going to divide 60 by 5. 12 is the question. Multiply the numerator and denominator by 12. 4 12s are 48, 5 12s are 60. Likewise, we will do for the other three fractions also. So we have got 48 upon 60, 42 upon 60, 44 upon 60 and 51 upon 60. Now these all are like fractions. So we can arrange them easily in ascending order. 42 upon 60, 44 upon 60, 48 upon 60 or 51 upon 60. And we can write our answer in the original fraction also, the given fraction form. 7 upon 10 is 42 upon 60, 44 upon 60 is 11 upon 50 and 4 upon 5 is 48 upon 60, 17 upon 20 is 51 upon 60. Now we will do one word problem. Question number 4. Fraction of apple Reenu got 2/7. Fraction of apple Sonal got 4/5. Who got the larger part of apple? We have to find out in this question. So in first part we have to compare the fractions 2/7 and 4/5. 2 multiply 5 by cross multiplication, 7 multiply 4. 2 5s are 10, 7 4s are 28. It means 28 is greater than 10, so 4/5 is greater than 2/7. 4/5 fraction is of Sonal, so Sonal got the larger part of apple. By how much? For this step, we have to solve the difference of 4/5 and 2/7. 4/5 minus 2/7. LCM of 5 and 7 is 35. 5, we will divide 35 by 5. 5 7s are 35. 4 into 7. 7 5s are 35. 2 into 5. 4 7s are 28 minus 10, 18/35. Then we are supposed to write the ending statement. Sonal got 18/35 part of the apple more than Reenu. Now in question number 5 we are going to solve this. 8/9 plus 7/12. LCM of 9 and 12 is, we are supposed, whatever rough work you are required to do, always do in front of the question only. We are supposed to find out the LCM of 9 and 12. We have just solved it here. LCM of 9 and 12 is 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. Now 36 divided by 9, 9 4s are 36, 8 4s are 32. 36 divided by 12, 3, 7 3s are 21. 32 plus 21, that is 53/36, and we can always change them into the mixed number. 36 ones are 36, 17 is the remainder, and we can write it in this form also. So that's all for the students for today. Now we will meet in the next session. Thank you.